Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to KK English Room. Today we are going to do more plurals. Plurals with VS or plurals with F. Okay? VS and F. So what all are the plurals which take VS and what all are the plurals which take F? So let's do that, and for that we are going to perform a drama. As you can see, Kriti is playing the role of Magic Queen. So let's do right now. I am nice and everyone is afraid of me because I can cut everything and everyone is the pieces. Oh, I am the king. Everyone use me as a weapon. But I am sad. I want some friend with me. I want some friend who can play with me. Because I also want friendship. I also want happiness. But no one is with me. Is there anyone who can help me? Please God, is there anyone? Is there any magic?
I can help you.
Is there? Who is there? Please come to me.
Kaboo!
Oh, who are you?
I am the Magic Queen.
And I am nice. You know I am not happy
But why aren't you happy?
because I am all alone.
Is there any way I can help you?
Yes, you can fulfill my wish.
Okay. But listen carefully. I am the Magic Queen and I can only fulfill one wish. Think and ask for the perfect wish.
The perfect wish. I wish that I will get my friends. I am all alone nice, but I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 many friends with me. Can you make this wish fulfill?
Yes, sure. Okay, so for that you need to give your F to me.
So you mean I have to give F of my nice spelling,
Yes.
and then
Then I will give you friend with VS.
okay, sure, I will give, and I will get plurals.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me how?
Yeah, you come with me and now I will show you the list of friends which you can make. Okay, Knife?
Okay.
Knife? Knife?
Yes, my magic queen.
Please come here.
Yes.
See, here are the list of friends you can make.
Oh, I can make all them as my friends.
Yes, but be sure.
Oh,
Replace F with VS.
okay, as you said earlier,
Yeah.
I remember that.
Okay, let's have a look at your list.
Okay.
So, Knife, you. So, we will cut your F
Okay.
and add VS.
Okay, when I become with my friends, I will be as nice.
Yeah.
But when I am all alone, I am
Yeah.
a nice.
Yes.
That's great.
Then wife. Okay?
Okay.
We will cut the F and put VS.
Yes. One wife, many wives.
Now, life. So, again, cut the F, put VS.
I understood. That's why Magic Queen, when I highlighted with red, I
Yes.
have used red ink pen for F and V here. Okay.
Now, wolf. Again, wolf. Here, leaf. What's the name?
Leaf.
Yes. Then loaf. Loaf. And we have half.
Half.
Calf.
Calf. Okay, Fairy. I want all of them as my friends because they are just like me.
Yes. But wait, Knife.
What happened?
Beware of some words which don't give their
convert into VS.
No.
Who all are they? They are not like me.
No, they are not like you. Wait, let me tell you the list of the people which you should be aware of. Okay?
Okay.
Come. So nice. I am glad to tell you the enemies of you. So let's see. Now I will tell you an interesting story. Draft,
Yes, coming, ma'am.
please come here.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are your enemies.
Okay.
So why they are your enemies? Because
Should I tell?
yes.
Because they are not like me. They don't take out their F and take BS.
Yes, but there is one more reason.
Tell me.
See, belief. Let's take a word. It is having S.
Yes.
So they don't take VS. They only add S to them.
Okay. Fine.
Now I will recite a story.
Oh wow.
Okay, about your enemies. And can you please be acting?
Yes, sure. And through this story,
Yes.
you will tell me all the F, those who are extraordinary, exceptional F.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
This is very good idea.
So let's start.
Let's start.
Once there was a draft
Oh, dwarf.
with a handkerchief
Let me take my handkerchief
and a scarf.
and a scarf.
Yes, exactly.
Dwarf.
He wanted to become the chef.
Cheese.
Oh, sorry. Okay, of the chef.
Okay, you have made also.
Yes,
You have drawn also.
he is the chef.
Hmm.
We want to be the biggest. With the belief, he took his staff.
Staff means many members.
Yes.
Members who are working with the chief or the chef.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
These are the staff.
okay. And started mischief.
Okay.
So, they did their mischief on roofs.
Ooh. On roofs.
Of house.
Okay.
Okay. Cliffs
Cliffs. Okay.
and reefs.
Leaves.
How can I get?
Girls. High sort of, huh?
Yes. And reefs.
The chef.
Yeah. The chef failed. Okay.
Thank God it failed.
Okay.
Okay.
And the proof was his grief.
Grief. What is the meaning of grief?
Grief is like sad,
Okay,
cry.
he was in grief because he didn't get success in his mischief. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, did you understand the words I have highlighted?
Yes, you magic queen. Actually, this is a magic story because in this story, first story, I can get all the F's who are not my friends.
And friends, you will not get it anywhere. It's made by my mom and me, okay?
Yeah.
So it's very easy to learn by the story. Okay?
Write it down and somewhere and keep it safely. Don't disclose it to everyone because then also you can become yourself different from others.
Yeah.
So
So did you understand that?
yes, I understand. I understood everything, and you explained it very nicely. And that was the trick actually we did today.
Yeah.
In post drama, we explained with V as plural.
Yes.
In this
And
story,
this F and Yes.
Okay. The words which take S and the words which are not replaced
Yes.
by VS.
Yes.
So that was the class for today. Hope you liked it. And because the class was too long, so we're not going to play game this time. In next class, definitely we will play. So till then, bye. Take care.
Keep watching our channel. Learn English. Don't be scared.
Subscribe and give like. Please comment. Please comment.
And give ideas for games and topics.
Yes.
Okay?
If you have any confusion or anything which was not known to you or which was not explained by us, please tell.
Yeah.
Till then, bye.
Bye bye.
Please have a look for our second